Hi you guys, it's Wendy Lee and I am back with another haul. This is from Dollar Tree. Got a couple of Easter things in there and some new things that I spotted. So let's see. Let me pull some of these things out. Okay, so I got some of this hot pink yarn and I got some of this Lysol. I was really surprised that they had these because in my area it's still really hard to find Lysol spray or any kind of like disinfectant wipes. Like they go so fast, and they were kind of hoarding them at the front of the store. They were at the cashier like on their tables and they were only letting you take 2. So oh, sorry guys. I can't wait until this horrible virus is under control and we don't have to, you know, worry about it anymore. Okay, I also found these gorgeous envelopes. Look at these. And someone, I think they had made a Instagram post and they said they had picked up bags that were similar to this, and they said, am I the only one that uses that hoards these Dollar Tree bags to make bows? And I had already bought these and I was thinking to myself, oh my gosh, I could use those for bows, because what I had originally bought them for was just for swaps so that I could put things in them, you know, like little gifts and stuff in, and maybe I could embellish them a little bit. But I thought these were really pretty, so that they have a blue one and I got the pink one. Did I get 2 pinks? Yeah, I got 2 pinks. Oh, it looks like I got 2 pinks, 2 of the green and 2 of the blue. So if you spot those, they're really nice, and they're called a cosmetic bag, so you can use them for a bunch of different things, but I thought I would just gift them in swaps or whatever. And then I also spotted these bags, which I thought were super cute, and these would also be good for swaps to, you know, pack it full of goodies for your friend, or like for Happy Mail or whatever. So there's the silver one, and then there's a turquoise one. It's just called tote bag. It was over in the section where like the hair stuff is, like the hair ties and stuff, but it was on the bottom, like on the very bottom shelf. Then I saw these adorable dinosaur eggs and I just could not walk by these. I'm gonna have to save them for next year because I'm already kind of done with Easter stuff, but so cute. Then I found these trays, these activity trays, and I thought these would be so good to like store projects in. I like to make jewelry, so I think these would be good for jewelry projects because you can divide things up in it. Like I can put my beads in one spot, my spacers, my, you know, lobster claw clasp, and my whatever jump rings and whatever. Like it would be really cool, and then you don't have to worry about anything spilling because it's got that lip on it. You could also put swap projects. Like I have a lot of swap projects going on right now, and sometimes I'm in the mood to work on one but not the other, or sometimes I might want to like gather everything I have for one and see what I've got, see what I'm missing, and then just kind of put it to the side while I'm still waiting to pick up the other things. Or sometimes I'm just like, I'm in the mood to work on this one and then I'm kind of done with it and I feel like working on this one. So it's nice to just, and I thought these would be nice to just kind of keep things organized. You can just kind of pick them up and take them with you if you wanted to, take them to another room. Let's see, what else do we got? Oh, I found these cute little organizers, these little cuties. What are these called? These are snack containers, and it comes with 2. They've got the snap lids. You can never have enough organizing, you know, containers. At least that's how I feel. And then I found some more of these, which I just love. They're so cute. I've shown them in past videos. I've given these in swaps and the people that I gave them to really liked them. They come with drawers that pull out, and there you go. So you could also alter them if you wanted to, but they're super cute. You could stick them together. They have a couple of different designs. I also got some animal print ones. Then I found another pack of these. They're the like the baby pink color. And I got a couple of these. So I got these for summer swaps and summer projects. Oh my gosh, isn't this so adorable? I love it, and it's super soft. And look at the beads, the seeds that are beads. I can't believe this is $1. It's so cute. So I got a couple of those. Then let's see what we got in here. Oh, I got a little dresser that I'm gonna alter. And I found these. I finally found these. Oh my gosh, I could not find these anywhere. And when I saw them, I like kind of was like, oh! The person next to me was like, oh my god, like what is she doing? Like what a weirdo. But anyways, I found those. Oh, and I also found them in gold, and the gold ones have little leaves that hang from them. So yeah, the pink ones don't have anything that hangs from them. And I found the smaller dresser to alter, so that's cute. I want to open these up and see if the drawers open. They probably don't. They don't look like they do. Kind of look like they're glued shut, but I got this gorgeous pen. Got some chalkboard tags. Thought these would be good in future tag flips. They're already done for you. You just have to alter it. Last time I painted and glittered mine and it turned out so pretty. Got this cute unicorn pen. It's all furry. It's all cushiony and comfy when you write with it. Got these adorable clam Easter eggs. These will be so cute on a mermaid project. Like, look how cute those are. You could use those all year long. Got these unicorn stickers. And I got some more yarn, but I got some colors that I didn't have. So I found this mint green, and oh, they're the Just Chanel. And then I got the yellow one. And then I found a charcoal gray. Oh, and I got a white one. And let's see what else. This super cute heart. Isn't that adorable? You just clip that onto something for your swap partner or whatever. Send it in some happy mail. Then I found this adorable unicorn one. Look how cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. And I found these adorable mermaid ones. They come in pink, purple, and blue. Look how cute those are, you guys. Oh my gosh, so adorable. I got two of the unicorn ones. Okay. Then I got another set of tags, which I think will be good for projects to help you along. I have no idea how this got in my cart. I did not put this in my cart. It is a glue and residue eraser, but I am so glad it is in my cart because I recently did a card project on my glass. This is a We Are Memory Keepers work surface, I guess you would call it. And I used the glitter art glue, and I was having a heck of a time getting it off. I was putting alcohol and all kinds of stuff. I think I got most of it off, but I'm wondering if this will work in the future. I mean, I know I should probably work with on a different surface than just my glass, but I don't know. My husband probably put it in the cart. He just puts random stuff in the cart, you guys. I'm always finding stuff when I get home in my bag, and I'm like, how did I get that? I got these cute, what are these called? Straws. And I found another unicorn pen. Then, ooh, we got snacks in this bag. Then I got a couple of the pink chenille. And my favorite, yummy. I'm gonna eat one after this video. And let's see. Oh, and I got these. I haven't seen Mambas in so long. But then when I got home, it said Tropics. And I'm like, oh, I wonder if those are good. You know, I like the normal ones. Like, I shouldn't say the normal, like the original or whatever with like strawberry, orange. What are all the flavors? I don't remember. But we'll see if these are good. So this one is apple kiwi, mango orange, pineapple coconut. So we shall see if those are good. Oh, then I got these. So these are the strawberry ice cream cone Hershey Kisses. And I had sent these in a swap to Angie. I'll link her channel below. It's Laughterful of Crafter. Laughterful of Crafter. Crafterful of Laughter. She is so sweet, and she has a YouTube channel and she has an Instagram. And her and I did a swap recently, and I sent her a bag of these, but I sent her the big bag. And after I sent it, I was like, oh man, I really wanted to try those. I got them at Target. And then just kind of didn't think about it. And then the other day I saw these in the Dollar Tree and I was like, yes. And it was perfect because it was just a little bag so that my fat butt doesn't need them all. And what else? Limon Lays. These are so good. Got those for the craft room to snack on. And what else is in here? Oh, see, here's where my husband put something in here that I just find it and I'm like, that was hubby. And then I also got these. Now, I don't know what I'm gonna do with these. I mean, I know what I'm gonna do with these, but I don't know what I'm gonna do with these, and I'll explain what I mean. So I've joined this YouTube channel where every month they hold a die cut swap, which I think is such a great idea. So you basically sign up, you get signed up with a partner, and you and that partner swap die cuts. You know, like you cut out a bunch of stuff with your dies. You can also use ephemera die cuts, stickers, whatever. And there's a theme every month. So April's theme is animals, critters, and flowers. So I thought it would be cute to use these. I found these at Dollar Tree, and I also found this style, and they're little photo albums. And I thought it would be a good idea to put the die cuts in here. And I like this design, so I don't know if I would alter it or if I would just send it like this. I'm still kind of deciding. So there's that pretty one with all the greenery. Then you just have this basic one, which with this one I might change the paper on it. Maybe alter the front of it a little bit. I don't know. Maybe just send it as is and let them alter it themselves, because sometimes I like to do that. I like to send things as is, like these types of things, where they can let them do what they want with it. I also found this one. And then, and what size are these? I think these are 4x6. I found this colorful one with like this beehive type, honeycomb type design. And then I found this one. So there's that. I think that's everything, guys. So that was my Dollar Tree haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. I hope you will leave me a comment, give this video a like, and subscribe if you haven't. Okay, take care. Have a good day. Bye-bye.